told you, Gordon. I'm a splendid red engine. You never see my paint dirty.
Whatever, James. Wait a minute. What is that down the line?
Huh? James, look out! Runaway trucks are coming down the line! Oh dear. My red coat of paint is all dirty up by coal!
Oh, good. Now I don't have to hear about splendid red paint. But my line is covered, so I'm late for the express. Well, fuck.
Runaway. It's a runaway James. He's on the run. Oh. Well, he stopped. By the way, I made this set by just getting track and putting it together with water instead of a cleaning bottle, which I had a deep clean and then spray Percy all over to get that rain effect, and it kind of hit my phone, but it'll be alright. And then got Percy all wet, and then Annie and Clarabelle, and the track. Yeah, I think I even got James with a little. Oh, we got another runaway. Oh, there's Percy this time. I got my camera wet. He's going in a different direction this time. I think I messed my camera up. It's like a little horn beat, Percy. And he's struggling. When he comes to that crack, he's gonna have to stop. Or not. Or maybe just do a whole loop around. And my camera's coming back. Let's see where he'll just end up. Well, PS came to a stop by hitting